Hello. It has been a long time since I've done one of these, and I've probably been to the Dollar Tree within probably 100 of those times, but just getting little things here and there. Now, as you guys know, I've been cutting back on buying a lot of stuff, but I'm having a craft show in a couple weeks. I am so excited. And I've been just, you know, making stuff like crazy, and I need to get more supplies because I'm just like on a roll here. So I'm going to share with you guys a lot of the stuff that I got, pretty much everything that I got. And then I'm going to share with you guys like some other things, but you definitely want to follow me. If you guys don't follow me on my daily vlog, in my daily vlog, I show you guys like everything, what I've been making at that time. But I also own an Etsy store, so I also put a bunch of stuff on there. So a little behind on posting more stuff on that, but I'm going to definitely go ahead and do it. So let's just dig in, because I have an entire basket full of stuff. I went to the Dollar Tree today. There was a Dollar Tree that I wanted to go to, and it's not open yet. They demolished one of the Dollar Trees up the road from me, but they ended up relocating to a different one, which is a little bit closer. And I went to go to that one, but it is not open. They said it was going to be open last week. It's not open yet. So I ended up going to the one I usually go to. And I was completely shocked at how that store was. That store was faced to a T. It's like 60%, maybe 70% faced. Like, I've never seen this store this clean since COVID, like when everything was shut down because they had hardly any customers. But this place was just like, oh my gosh. And I went crazy over the craft section. I was just like, ah. So anyways, I'm going to share with you guys what I got first. So in this bag, pretty much this bag only, I ended up getting the tube mesh. I got the gold ones, I got silver ones, and then I got green, and I got red in here somewhere. I got red in here anyways. But I bought like a ton of these because I make wreaths out of these, and I had an Etsy order last night and realized I didn't have a lot of stuff. So when you see this stuff, you gotta grab them. I'm surprised they had so much Christmas things in here. So this one is completely filled with the Christmas tube mesh, and I plan on making more wreaths for my craft show that I have, so I'm going to be making some of that. So I was pretty excited for that, but now I'm here to share with you guys. I got a big bag. I'm going to show you what's in this tote first, then I can throw everything back in the tote. So like I said, I'm having a Christmas show, and I found some mini Christmas trees. What I plan on doing is we're having 2 6-foot tables, and I'm putting these on the tables. I bought 2 of the green ones and 2 of the white ones just so I could put some ornaments on it so people can kind of see, you know, what they look like with trees. I mean, for $1, they're not that great, but you know what? It's purposely to show what the ornament looks like, and I'm pretty excited for that. I had a hankering for some vanilla wafers. I love vanilla wafers, and then when I tried these ones, I'm like, these are just as good. Not as big, and they're probably a little bit more crumbly, like they probably fall apart a little bit easier, but they're good. They taste exactly like it. So when you have a hankering, you gotta make sure. I actually made this shirt. It says, I craft so hard, I sweat glitter. That's how much I love crafting. So I'm in a couple different like Dollar Tree groups, and like, you know, it's good to get stuff. But I saw people doing stuff with this. This is a, like it's a chalkboard and stuff, but I've been seeing some people do some really cool things with this. So I ended up getting a couple of these. I don't know how much I got, but I will show you guys. I know I got 2 of them right here. I know I got 2 more. I think I bought 4 of them all together. So I got those that I'm going to be doing some stuff with. And then I ended up getting a couple of these boxes because I plan on doing different things with them. Maybe 2 to 3 different projects. So these are just like those little crate totes. These are perfect for me, like when I put my like business cards and stuff in them. I got those. And so what happened is I ended up making a project the other day online where I did a Dollar Tree, you know, thing, and I loved it. And I'm like, okay, I'm gonna make more of these. So I had to go on a hunt to find bells, because, you know, the store carries the big bells, a ton of the big ones, but they very rarely carry the smaller ones. And first I wanted to get the 50 count, but then I realized I need to get the 32 piece, just because, what am I looking at? Yeah, just because I like the bigger size. So I got a ton and a ton of bells for my project. So got a lot of bells. Got a lot of bells. I mostly got them, I'm going to be mixing up. So if you guys definitely follow my vlogs, you'll see what I've been making with that. So I tried making this one like Starbucks like drink, and I ended up using plaster or whatever I think it was. Yeah, this little plastic thing is so skimpy that I actually put a hole in 2 of them. So I had to get another one now that I know what I'm doing. So I ended up getting another one when I do that project because it was just awesome. I got these little light up things. These are LED light sets in the white color. I thought this is a project that I'm going to do with my son for at least one of them. So I got these just in case. I got them because you never know when you're going to need them. And these are the like the cute little, you know, little sets for that. So, okay. I'm going to lose my tote. So I ended up getting some pizza pans. I saw a little DIY thing that I want to make with these, and I thought that was kind of cute. So I ended up getting 3 of them. I thought these were going to be so hard to find, but I actually like found them right away. So I was pretty excited for that. But I ended up getting some pizza pans to do with a Christmas DIY. And I will be making a video of my craft show of all the stuff that I'll be selling, and I'll let you guys see everything that I make. Got more of these, like, yeah, like I said, I've been going to the Dollar Tree like crazy the last couple days. I got 2 more of these so I can make some stuff with that. And so I got to paint like crazy. If you guys know me, I just came back from Richmond, Virginia. And Gina Schwappy and I went to the Dollar Tree. Well, little did I know, but that Dollar Tree is now $1.25. My store is still $1. I think maybe the major cities or something are $1.25. I'm not sure, but yeah. So I will tell you guys this: if you guys have these Jingle Blocks, they were hard to find, and then I found like a ton of them at that store. They had like 100 of them, and I'm like, well, I'm just gonna get 3 boxes because I have to fly back with these. So there is 72 in here. There is a lot of projects that I plan on doing with these. A lot of projects, and I cannot wait to start get going. So I got those, but then I'm like, oh, do I want to get more? I'm like, I don't know if I should get more, but I'll get to that when I get to that. So I had an Etsy order the other day. A lady asked for specific colors. I'm like, okay, well, number one, she wanted brown. Brown is very hard to get. So even Party City is hard to get there. So anyways, I went to the Dollar Tree. Every single tablecloth was completely gone. Every single one. Then I went to Party City. Every single tablecloth was gone. Then I went to Walmart. They had 75% of the tablecloths gone. And then I went to another Dollar Tree, Family Dollar, and every single tablecloth was gone. I'm like, is there a shortage on tablecloths? So then I went to another Dollar Tree, again, all gone. So I was just like, whatever. But I was lucky to find the ones that I needed, because I plan on making wreaths out of these to sell online or my craft show. But I found 2 white rectangle ones. And then what's funny is I was going through some stuff last night and I found more white ones. So I'm like, sweet, I got the white ones. So I'm definitely planning on making things with those. And then I found these, which I thought were kind of cute. And I plan on making something with these. But these were like little signs that just says good tidings of comfort and joy. So I was thinking of taking these apart and doing some little things with them. So we got that going on. So that was all that I bought at those little like 6 items I bought at the Richmond, Virginia Dollar Tree. And like I said, I've been going to store to store to store to find stuff for my craft show. But this is another store that I went to, and I finally found green tablecloth. So again, I needed green, and I have red already, but that's what I make with my wreaths. And then I got one more bag, and so then I made like this really cool like ornament of the reindeer. And I got one of these gift boxes. I already opened it up, and I got one of these gift boxes to put the ornaments in as a little display, and the box looks super cute. And then I ended up getting these, but they ripped open. I got the little crinkle paper that I put in the boxes. I think I posted it on Facebook or on Instagram, but I got those to make the box look a little bit better. And then I ended up getting some fake snow because I plan on doing a project and some ornaments with that. I'm not done, you guys. Like, that's only half of what I got. That's only half of what I got. So I'm just going to throw some stuff in here so I have the room. Like, I'm just super excited to craft. I mean, me doing this stuff just helped me, and I'm really hoping to sell good at my craft show. Okay. I got one more bag for you guys. One more bag. So I ended up getting 2 more that didn't fit in the box. I've been having a hankering for some pretzels, and I love this brand. I love the Snyder brand. I love the butter snaps. I had to get these, you know, for $1. You cannot go wrong. It's so cheap, and I love getting them. So I got a turkey for free with Ibotta. If you guys follow my Ibotta deals, you know I got a free turkey. I always cook my turkey in an oven bag, and these work just as good. I've used these for a couple years, actually, but perfect. If there's only 2 of them in here, which is fine, but for $1, you can't go wrong with that. So if you guys see those, definitely go ahead and get that. So I plan on making some coasters, and there's 2 different types of coasters that I'm gonna make, but I ended up getting some of the adhesive cork sheets. I got 3 of these because I'm gonna put some of them down on the bottom of the coasters so it doesn't like scratch up, but you know, for $1 and they're adhesive, I thought that would be a great idea. Paris, nobody wants to see your butt. Nobody wants to see your butt. Nobody see your butt. I got these napkins because I plan on doing a DIY with these napkins. I thought these were super cute. The rest of the store had like, you know, Santa on it and like some other things, but I wanted some just kind of plain ones that didn't have a lot of print. So I got these, and I'm excited to try a DIY with that one. I have a friend, I've been doing etching some glassware. I used to do it before, and I ended up getting this. I had a friend who's like, hey, can you etch me a glass? And I says, yeah. He's like, well, how much? And I says, honestly, I don't know. I gotta find the glass where. Like, buying pint glasses are hard to find plain. He's like, well, let me know how much I owe you. I said, well, let me see what I can find. And you know what? I kind of Googled. I looked on Amazon. They want like 16 to 20 bucks for 2 of these. 20 bucks for 2 of these kind of glassware. Well, I found 2 of them at the Dollar Tree for $1. $1. You can't go wrong with this. So I'm super excited because then I can etch some glassware for him. And it'll literally cost me like $3 to make that stuff. So I'm excited to get that made, but I'm probably not going to make that until after the holidays, just because I got so much stuff going on. But I ended up getting more of these little crates and stuff, and like I said, if I don't, I'm going to turn these into 3 different projects, I think is what I want to do. So I got those. I ended up getting these. Okay, so these, when these first came out, people were going nuts over them, and I thought they were the cutest thing ever. Little tiny palettes. Little tiny palettes. And I was looking at Etsy for these. Like, people charge a lot for these, but I think these are so cute, and I plan on making these into some kind of coaster. So I got those to make some stuff into. So I just got, like, I have another set already, so I'm only gonna make the 2 sets into coasters. So I got that. I didn't realize, but I have another one of these. I didn't realize how many I grabbed. Thanks, Paris, for knocking everything over. I greatly appreciate it. I got more of the Jenga Games because, like I said, my store had them, and I was pretty excited because I plan on making a ton of different things with these. So I ended up getting 5 more. 5 more of the Jenga Games. I'm just beyond excited to see what I can make with this stuff. So you definitely want to check out my projects and stuff, but those things are you can make so many things. I've seen people making a cover for the top of their stove, like, you know, so they can, just with like a nice little emblem and stuff. I think it takes 11 boxes for people to make stuff with those, but I don't do that because I don't need to, but there are people that have been making projects with this. Along with the Jenga, I saw another cool project that I want to do that I'm going to use these little wooden blocks with. So I definitely was excited to get some of these, and hopefully those projects turn out really cute as I imagine in my mind. My cat's just like, pet me. Can you pet me? Can you pet me? So another thing I've noticed that Dollar Tree does now is they actually have little individual pieces of wood. Like, they have just chunks of little wood, and you never know what you're gonna get. They're all random different sizes. Like, I think that's cool, but you're gonna have to search a lot for specific sizes. Like, I just think it's random. But I did see these ones with like little strings on it, and I thought this was kind of cute. Like, I can just paint it. I just kind of saw it in the scrap wood thing, so I'm just gonna kind of sand it down and kind of just turn these into something. But I just got the 3 of them. I make for $1. We'll just see what I can do. Might make a little sign, but I thought that was cute. But yeah, that was my haul, you guys. Like, it was huge. A lot of it was just stuff that I'm going to be making for oh, I had one more thing. Hold on, you guys. I got one more thing I forgot to share with you guys. A fake security camera. They only had one. they only had one, and I know people are going crazy over these, and I just grabbed the one. But basically, I can't wait to fool my son with this because he kind of caught on my ornaments. But basically, it is a fake. Paris, can you not knock the box over? Thank you. But it is like a fake security camera, so people think that you're actually like filming and stuff. And it has a speaker sound, so I don't know if it actually makes a sound or what. I don't know. It just says, yeah. But that's kind of cool. I got those just because I want to fake my son out. But people have been turning these into Santa cams too. But I just wanted to get the one. But other than that, that's all I got. I hardly got anything personally for myself. This is all stuff that I have to craft with. So I will be busy for the next couple weeks, which is exciting because the weather's getting cold out. And I don't like doing stuff outside when it's super cold out. But I have at least like 3 weeks till my craft show. And I have a lot of stuff to do. So I'm going to definitely be working on that. But again, thanks for watching. Thanks for being supportive. Thank you guys. If you guys have any questions, comments, concerns, please send me a message through Facebook or Instagram, and I will be gladly to answer all your questions, or if you have any ideas, anything cool. Give this video a big thumbs up. I'll see you guys next time I do another Dollar Tree haul. See you later. Bye-bye.